This isn't one of those places where you finish school and then start job hunting. At WyoTech, hundreds of companies show up here every quarter, ready to hire.
We're here today at WyoTech because we have been a longtime partner with WyoTech. We're looking for diesel technicians to work on our heavy-duty diesel equipment.
We're seeking techs. They want to come work for our company. We're seeking that, that hard work, dedication, work ethic. We're looking for our values.
The WyoTech Career Fair is incredibly important and super special to every single one of the students here at WyoTech. It connects them with industry partners literally nationwide.
WyoTech's one of our favorite trade schools to come to. They have a very diverse training program. We're blown away by the students, how they carry themselves, how they have the cowboy code. They're respectful. You'll notice they walk into rooms, they take their hats off.
Even something as basic as excellent attendance and being able to present themselves and hold themselves really well. Soft skills, but things that at WyoTech stand out very drastically to us.
Why do we come to WyoTech? It's pretty simple. We find fantastic young talent to lead the quality efforts that our customers require.
All of our students that interview generally have between 2 and 5 letters of intent before they leave the career fair.
For me, when I come here, it's not about selling the students about why to come work for us. I spend more time actually educating them on what they should be looking for in the various employers in the room, what kind of benefits they should be looking for.
We offer 401k, PTO, health benefits. We offer a toolbox program.
We offer paid time off. We offer a 401k with a match. We have a tuition reimbursement plan that is something that I'm really excited about, that I love talking to the students about.
We really take care of our employees by giving them fantastic benefits from the health, dental, vision. I mean, dental and vision is cheaper than going to Chipotle for a burrito. Come on. You get into the 401k, which is a 50% match up to 4%. You get PTO starting day one.
Full health benefits, Blue Cross Blue Shield, whether it's eye, medical, dental, 401k programs. We have profit sharing programs.
The benefits package that we include are that tuition reimbursement, that anytime that a student is making sure that they dedicate themselves to learning a craft or learning a project within itself, to be able to go to that direction, and we make sure that we can compensate students up to 100% back in with their tuition reimbursement.
Our students get to experience 4 different careers at the time while they're here at WyoTech. We have one literally every single quarter.
The most exciting thing about coming out to days like this with interviews and the career fair is you get to meet everybody, right? We're talking to instructors, we're talking to students that started just a month and a half ago, we're talking to students that are ready to have a full-time job here in the next couple of months. So really the ability to see everybody, get to talk to everybody, it's a fun day, lots of energy.
And from the first moment they come to a career fair where they don't know anybody, at the end of their time here at WyoTech and that 4th career fair, it's like they've grown up and they're ready to be that professional that goes out into the industry.
You get the skills, you meet the right people, and you've got options. If you're ready to get started, WyoTech is the place to do it.